Hi, my name is Yelena Payne, and I'm the Commissioner of Community Development and Health at the City of Windsor. I'm here today to tell you about an exciting new project underway at the city, the renovation and expansion of our new Windsor Community Museum, located at 401 Riverside Drive West on the first floor of this building. Much work has been underway over the past 2 years. We've held numerous stakeholder consultations and public consultations. We've had visioning sessions. A steering committee has been established, an executive committee, and a working group. So there has been a lot of work underway. We've also been very fortunate to receive a federal grant to help support this wonderful project. Well, construction is underway on the inside, so come on, let's go inside and take a sneak peek. Here we are inside the future home of the Windsor Community Museum, and as you can tell, construction is well underway. Let's go inside and see what's happening. To date, construction has involved putting up fencing for safety, and so the temporary entrance to the building has moved from the south corridor to the north side of the building, off Riverside Drive. The contractors have been working on demolition, removing old walls and flooring. New walls are coming up, and the drywall and taping is being done. Our new community museum is starting to take shape. The new museum space is 16,000 square feet, 10,000 of which is exhibit space. The space will consist of a permanent gallery, a temporary gallery, interactive, exciting children's gallery, retail space, and storage space. It will also house some of our current collection, comprised of 15,000 artifacts. This is the first step in the process, which is the renovation of the first floor of 401 Riverside Drive West. The creation of exhibit space will come next, in addition to upgrades to the Babby House. And just before we sign off, a reminder that the Art Gallery of Windsor is still open during our renovations and located on the second and third floor of the 401 Riverside Drive West building. Thanks for joining us, and look forward to more updates on our new Windsor Community Museum.